This is the best curry chicken I ever made. It's creamy, spicy, rich in flavor, and it's simple to make. First, wash and cut your produce. All you'll need are 4 to 5 medium-sized yellow potatoes, 1 to 3 serrano peppers depending on your preferred level of spicy, and 1 onion. Set that to the side and prep your chicken. You can use drumsticks or boneless, skinless thighs. If you're using drumsticks, trim off some of the fat and cut slits in the chicken. Set that to the side, wash your hands, and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan with 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Once that's hot, add the chicken and sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt. Then sear both sides until it's golden. This should take about 6 to 7 minutes. Then add those veggies we chopped up earlier and add 2 to 3 cups of water, or just enough so that the chicken is submerged in the water. Season this with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon seasoning, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, then lightly mix. Cook covered for 25 minutes and uncovered for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make a cornstarch slurry with 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. When it's done cooking, turn off the heat and add the slurry. Mix it until well combined, and that's it. The slurry is the secret ingredient that makes this curry extra good. The thick and creamy curry gravy is everything. I seriously make this dish every week, so this is my perfected curry chicken recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.